Hey, this is Mike, and it's October 15th, and yesterday I did a video talk about how AMC Theaters is pretty much a dying stock, and yesterday, or the day before, it had fallen 14% down to like 350. Then the last session, it fell down another 16%. So now AMC Holdings is below $3 a share. It is in an incredible death spiral here, and the funny thing is the AMC's story of just being a failing company was even on the front page of the Drudge Report. And there's now talk about AMC Entertainment is likely to file for bankruptcy. So what does that mean? This bankruptcy will not just affect AMC Theaters. So that's why I'm doing the video today, because this is also going to affect the movie studios. If you're holding like Disney or Sony, anybody else that's in movie production and releasing movies, AMC Theaters is by far the biggest theater chain in the world. If AMC Entertainment goes into bankruptcy, chances are they're going to have a lot of trouble just operating as a theater chain. They may have to shut down most or all of their theaters, or they'll probably get sold off to a private equity firm that's going to take those theaters off market because they can make more money converting that commercial real estate into medical offices or something else that will generate money more quickly. If that happens, you can see anywhere from like 10,000 to 20,000 screens come off the market. And if you have less screens, then you're going to have less opportunities for like the next Wonder Woman movie or the next James Bond movie to get onto enough screens. So you might have a situation where the leftover movie theater companies will have to either raise prices, or the movie studio producers are just going to lose money on every movie that's going to be coming out for the next year or two until they get enough screens back open. And that could lead to other problems where now you could have Disney stock getting hit, Sony stock, Lionsgate, just all the other any other company that's involved in movie production. And if AMC Theaters is in trouble, then probably every other theater chain is going to be in trouble too, because AMC Theaters is the largest one, because you assume they would have the most cash. At this point, I don't think AMC Theaters will survive by the end of the year. I think they're gonna file for bankruptcy before the end of the year. You saw it go down as low as 218 kind of during the crash, and then it worked its way back up. I bought it like at around 5, and then I sold it when it started falling back over down to like 550, because I noticed it just rolled over. And this was just sort of like a total speculative play. I didn't have a lot of money in it, and I ended up making 10% on the trade. But when I saw it just start rolling over, and then I looked at just kind of the chart in general, I said they're not going to recover. I was into this as a recovery trade, but this is a stock that's dying now. Maybe it could turn around if someone could do a cash infusion on the company, because when you think about this pandemic, will probably keep going for about another, at the most, maybe another 12 months. So maybe an investor can come in and say, look, I'll provide a cash infusion to AMC Theaters, for the next 12 months in return for a majority stake in the company. I don't see that happening. I haven't heard anything about any interest from anybody in buying AMC Theaters. So I think this company is probably going to be done sooner rather than later. And then also watch for the other entertainment companies, because where they're going to put, I guess these Marvel movies and DC movies, they cost like $200 million. And with movie production, you have to earn 4 times the movie production in order to get a profit, because you have to figure the theater's cut and the marketing costs. So if it's a $100 million movie, it has to make $400 million worldwide to get its money back. If it costs $200 million, it has to make $800 million to get its money back. So just so I give you an update on AMC Theaters, if there's any turnaround or any good news, I don't think there's going to be any good news, but I'll definitely give you an update, because if someone does decide to step in and save the company, then it has the potential to, rocket back up to 5 and over. But doesn't seem very likely right now. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.